Greetings, my name is Victoria Newville, an agent with Aviation Insurance Resources. Today, I am going to guide you through the Safe CFI insurance portal. You can sign up and start CFI non-owned insurance coverage online, quick and easy, takes about 5 minutes. First, I'd like you to go to www.air-pros.com. Next, visit Get a Quote. Under that drop-down, you will find non-owners insurance. That'll take you to a new page that will tell you a little bit about all the non-owned policies that we offer. Today, we are just going to focus on the Safe CFI policy. Click any of those yellow Instant Quote / Binder buttons to get started. It'll soon open up a new window. The first page is pretty straightforward. We are looking for flight instructors, personal and professional non-owned coverage. Click on that button. Next, under Select Aircraft, all you need to press is single engine piston powered if you're doing a fixed wing aircraft. For rotorcraft, please press piston powered rotorcraft. For our fixed wing policy holders, you only need to press single engine piston powered. The second you select your affiliation with the Society of Aviation Flight Educators, you will have multi-engine aircraft included in your policy. So you can go ahead and click on single engine piston powered under Select Aircraft, and then under Select Affiliation, click on the Safe button. From there are some straightforward questions. Have you had any aviation accidents, losses, or claims? Any FAA violations, convictions, or been refused an aircraft insurance policy in the past? Go ahead and click No on all of those if that applies. Any questions or any claims, give us a call at 301-682-6200 and we'll guide you through the process a different way. Next, just answer if you hold a Master CFI designation or have had completed a Universal Pilot Checkout or a Basic, Advanced, or Master Wings level within the past 12 months. After completing all your selections, the browser will bounce down to a Coverage Packages section. If one of those packages fits your needs, feel free to select one there. However, I recommend that most of our clients select their own customized coverages. Click on that blue highlighted box to do so. The first portion of your Safe CFI policy we'll talk about is the bodily injury and property damage section on the top left corner of your screen. You should see 2 numbers listed in each selection. That first number is for your property damage. Let's say you hit a sign while taxiing. That coverage would apply there. It also applies for bodily injury to individuals outside of the aircraft. For people flying inside the aircraft who happen to be injured upon an accident or another situation, they would receive the number on the right. Many people select the $250,000 per occurrence with the $25,000 per passenger sublimit because it's the cheapest option. However, I recommend doubling your coverage for just a little bit more. Most aircraft have a $1 million per occurrence with a $100,000 per passenger sublimit to give you a comparison of coverages. The next section of the policy is in the top right of your screen, the medical limit. This is a medical payment that is no fault and is a settlement amount. This payment is used for emergency and necessary medical expenses, which also includes you as a pilot. Finally, the non-owned aircraft at question. There are several limits you can choose to cover the physical damage to a non-owned aircraft. I recommend that most of my clients select at least $25,000 in physical damage. If you're flying your basic trainer fleet of flight school aircraft, this could cover something like a prop strike from a hard landing. Of course, give one of our agents a call if you're concerned that you're flying more expensive aircraft and need to discuss what a better limit may be for you. As you are going through this process, on the bottom right of the screen, your total will show up. Feel free to play around and see what limits best fit your budget. When you're finished, press Continue. Another area will pop up. Once you've verified that information, press OK and continue on your way. Next, you'll be to a contact screen. This is where you fill out all your information along with the date you'd like to start your policy. Once complete, move on to the next section, pilot information. The most important part here is to include your Safe CFI membership number. That's a mistake I see come through on a lot of policies. If you don't include your Safe CFI number, you may not get the discount and all the extra coverages that are included in the policy. For example, extension to multi-engine aircraft. One thing to note, no matter your pilot experience, this will not change your rates. A CFI with only 500 hours total time will be having the same premium as a CFI with 15,000 hours total time, as long as they selected the same liability coverages. Everything is finalized once you put that credit card through and agree to the fraud agreement. It's nice and easy. But if in doubt, give us a call and one of our knowledgeable agents will walk you through this process. Just have the webpage ready, www.air-pros.com. Give us a ring, 301-682-6200.